The Axure RP11 interface is the workspace we use when prototyping. When you move your mouse to the top of the screen, the menu bar appears. This bar holds all the main operations for Axure. The Axure RP11 menu is for top-level controls of the software, while File deals with actions related to the project you're working on. Edit allows you to edit elements on the page. View manages how you see the Axure RP interface. Project is for adjusting global settings of the entire project. Arrangement helps with positioning and layering elements. Publish is for generating prototypes, and Team is for collaborative design work. Account manages Axure and Axure Cloud accounts, while Window is for arranging the software windows. Help is where you go for support and services. When you move the mouse away, the menu bar disappears. Right below it, you'll find the main toolbar with buttons for key actions related to pages or elements, and you can even customize it. Under that is the Style toolbar, which lets you adjust the styles of pages or elements. On the left side of the screen is the Pages pane, where you can manage pages. Click the text button next to Pages to switch to the Outline pane. If you drag a few elements onto the canvas, you'll see their names appear in the Outline menu. When you group the elements, you'll notice the Outline menu shows a hierarchy, 2 rectangles nested under a folder, all as part of page 1. Below that is the Libraries pane, where you can access various libraries. You can drag widgets onto the canvas from here. Click the Components pane button, and you can convert elements into components. You'll see the names of the components listed in the pane, and you can drag components onto the canvas too. This pane helps you manage components. The largest area on the right is the canvas, where most of the design work happens. To its right, there are the Interactions, Notes, and Style panes. The Interactions pane is where you set up interactions for pages or elements. The Notes pane lets you add notes to pages or elements. The Style pane allows you to adjust styles for them. For example, when you drag in a rectangle, you'll notice that the options in the Style pane and the Style toolbar change because each element has different style properties.